Hello beauty babes, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make my liquid African black soap for my skin that you have seen me use, if I'm not mistaken, on my channel. But yeah, this video is kind of long overdue. I should have done this a while ago, but obviously I had to wait for the soap that I already had prepared to run out. So now I'm making it again. I know I look a little crazy because I literally just woke up, you know, brush my teeth and everything, but obviously can't wash my face because I don't have my soap, so which is why this video is, you know, here. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. Please forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in a second. So the things that you are going to need is a bottle or something to put your soap concoction in. You can either use something like this. This is like a little foaming pump thing that I got off of Amazon. I would try to find the link. I got these a long time ago, so I would try to find the link or something close to it, so that, you know, you can use it. The next thing you're going to need is a jar, bowl, anything with some hot water. This is hot water. It can just be hot. It doesn't have to be like boiled or anything. It's up to you. You're gonna need your African black soap, and this one is mine. I've already cut it up into cubes because it came in a very big block. I can't remember where I got it from. If I'm not mistaken, it's Amazon. I'm not 100% sure, but you know, there's a lot of fake African black soaps, and you definitely want to do your research to make sure this is the real one. And if you're curious to why I'm liquidating it down, is because real raw African black soap has like stuff in it, like some things from when they're making it that can either cut or like irritate your skin. So, you know, obviously you want to take that stuff out. So the purpose of me liquidating it down is to that not only dilute it so that my sensitive skin doesn't have a bad reaction to it, but also so that I can strain out the bad stuff and leave behind, you know, the liquid gold. But anyway, I'm going to show you pretty much exactly what I do. Like I said, this is going to be super simple, short video because getting straight to the point. So I have my jar and my soap, and I'm just going to put the little soap chunks into the jar of hot water. This is it. I put a little bit too much water, so I'm probably going to go back in and add more soap. That's just me personally. Probably what I'm going to do, but at this point, if you didn't do that, if you didn't make a mistake like I did, you're going to put on your top, or if you don't have a top, a spoon, mix it with a spoon, and just kind of squish it around a little bit. You won't do this for a while. I just do this to kind of get everything together. And then you're just going to let this sit literally until all the chunks of the soap is dissolved, and then, you know, after that I'll come back and we'll, you know, do the rest. All right, so I'm back with the dissolved, or mostly dissolved. There's like a chunk or two in here that hasn't dissolved yet, but that's perfectly fine because not all of this is going to fit in this little bottle anyway, so it's just going to stay in the jar and be perfectly fine. So now all that you're going to do is literally just pour it in here. It sucks because I really hope I don't waste this trying to pour it in. I just feel like this is bad. This is giving me bad vibes, right? Just me? No? Okay, well, we're gonna do it anyway. We're just gonna pour it. Perfect. Perfect. That didn't make a mess at all, and I really thought it was. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I hope this isn't too much and the thing goes on there. As you can see, nothing really strained out because I was pouring it very slowly. All the stuff is probably at the bottom, so when I pour it next time, or pour it into the container whenever I find it, because I have two of these, but I just don't know where the other one is. But I mean, I guess that's really it. So as you can see, I have about a little bit, half of a can left. All I'm going to do is put the lid on it and literally just replace this one when it goes out, or if I can find the other bottle that I have like this, then I will obviously just pour it in that bottle. But for right now, this is it. That is all. As I said, extremely simple and easy to do. If you wanted, you could add whatever you want to the face wash to make it your own, tea tree oil, essential oil, whatever you wanted to add. I just did it very light and basic because that's how I like mine. I like it very light, cut and dry, basic, just to cleanse my face. Nothing too much because I don't want my face breaking out or mixed with my other products and it all becomes a problem. Don't want none of that. So this is it. This is all. But anyway, we have come to the end of today's video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.